Small teeth.
So when I fix the face, why can't I? Anyway.
But with me, because you look like you have liar money.
Liar money.
Nah, you the video me on this.
Oh yes.
I'm here about your sorry if you go no nice up no.
Alright.
When me ready me go for it. What happen?
Drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping 10, Louis 9, ladies dancing 8, Major Melkin, Silly Swan 6, Geese a laying 5, golden.
This is the aftermath of Hurricane. Hurricane. What's a hurricane again?
Beryl.
Hurricane Beryl. Yeah. It's still bubbling.
It's still crossover.
Yeah.
Just obviously you can see
So
they would just need to go and cut some.
Yeah, still have the bamboo effect in it. I know some of them look like a rooted.
You can see the damage, yes. But I thought it was like nothing at all.
I thought it was
But
scam.
after, yeah. Right, so at the moment, first of all, let me say good morning, G&T's Merry Christmas. We're on our way to our family. Now I've got a turkey link up. Yeah, so we're following Junior's sister who is in front. So it's 2 carload of us. I go down to Hanover, Cascade, and we will see you later.
So in middle quarters, they sell lots of shrimp in this area. So they catch a shrimp like over there. So like there's water set in this area. Huh? What, the shrimp? The shrimp?
They're not really shrimp. They call them lobsters. They're not shrimp.
No, these are shrimp.
Why are they so tough?
Because they're river shrimp.
Oh.
Because they're river shrimp. So the river shrimp, the river shrimp harder than the.
Oh, I thought they were lobsters.
No, they're not lobsters. Lobsters are the big ones. Lobsters are the massive chunk.
I know they're big, but I was like, why is the thing so hard?
That's it, yeah.
Okay.
Even if it no rhyme, I go sing redemption songs to the people when I think of where I'm coming from. Looking back at where the journey began.
We used to drive down here so when fucking days and chill out.
Eat. What did we croak?
Yeah, the restaurant there, so.
We went to that restaurant, keep finished.
Eat a touchdown.
Trevor?
Father.
Squash? Okay. Alright, thank you. Alright, thank you. Where the blue pole is. Exactly.
Yeah. Right where the blue thing there is, right there by the shop.
Y'all gonna drive it and trap yourself in there?
But you take a park on this side.
Yeah, you're gonna get trapped in.
Yeah.
Overtake. I said we fight it.
Come here, try to say here, so.
It look like I am Christopher Columbus.
Hush.
It's true. She was doing so good.
I know, but I'm gonna take her.
We don't need you again. But way about that.
Park right here.
Right, it's right by that side. That's another couple.
Yeah, go on, just park where we can. If the kids are tired and they want to sleep, we can put them and watch them. You understand? So park close enough where the kids are fed up and can come and sit in the car and sleep. We should turn around though, because we're going that way. You understand? Face you drive straight out. There's a stage.
Huh?
No, TC, we're not.
You park right here, so.
No, TC. No, TC. We don't want to.
What, you have to tell us that we don't want to get black in tonight. By the time for
So-
go we yard.
Maybe there's not going to be
So
no.
what happened? Yeah, cause when you get busy and then start black up out here, so. You see, all reach when you park out there, so.
So should we call Marsha?
The Marsha we go.
Marsha! Jesus. Just face it and drive out, Junior. Because you won't have time to reverse. Okay, is that proper?
Yeah, all.
Yeah, good.
Is that Jerome? I swear
Yeah,
that's Jerome.
yeah. So you can really ask.
Oh, God.
So why you turn?
Give me a chance,
Oh.
Mr. Gibbons. Chance.
See Louis, Louis lose weight there.
Huh?
You face Louis. Now Louis,
Where?
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Louis can't hide him.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, man, come up on this back right, just say, oh, down, mister.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Innit?
Man, can you come on this, you swing on liquor, you and them, you have work hard for
True,
this and all the passing.
on the
Oh.
road.
All right, you good there, so no,
Boy,
man.
better
I will.
open
Yeah,
the
you
back.
on the back. All right, come.
Yeah.
All right, you good there, so
Yeah,
there.
all right.
Go back, yeah. Only sound you go come when you drive you.
Oh,
So
see.
you're good. Come on, stand this back and back like that. Push up in yourself, come back like that. Yes.
You up, Ash?
What happened?
Are you?
Nah, you the video me and the
Oh, yes.
I'm here about your sorry if you go no nice up no.
Alright.
When me ready me go for it. What happened?
Alright.
Yes. Eh?
So you look like your mother, man.
Yes, man. I'm to me man, they come. Yeah, man. Then they go come down until them they come down.
Okay.
And mama down here too. So that's why you go everything there they look for.
Yes, easy.
Yes.
John.
Bother with me, because you look like you have liar money.
That mama.
Liar money.
See, John.
I see myself on the internet, so I hear about it. So Joanne, Marsha, Kifina, Kevin. Can you see yourself, Kevin?
Alright, you have to go turn this way.
Kevin,
You okay, man?
150.
150.
Okay. For the appearance.
Oh Jesus. 150k for appearance.
Hello.
I must we call that is it African money? We call it we call
Are you okay? How are you?
Some of Christmas breakfast.
Good.
Natasha,
Yeah.
Welcome, big man.
My respect, love and
yeah.
thanks. Yeah, man, bless you, man. True. That's breezing. So I'm doing food.
See food I share. You have never breakfast now.
Good. I tease it out. Yeah.
You're gonna, yeah, you eat. Yeah, sit down and eat. Yeah. Is your food there? Okay, so sit down then. Huh? I lost a callaloo. Where you got me spinach? Where you come from? Jesus Christ, I thought I wonder where I'm born. Oh yeah, I'm sitting here. Thank you. And I moved now. Look at it.
Oh, my mum got
A little bit. She's cleaning up.
Oh, she's still cleaning up.
Yeah, tell her. Go and tell your mom. Oh, she's not gonna eat all that. Okay. Fork, please.
You okay, Vanna?
Did she leave the forks? Did the little girl leave the forks?
Okay, she's gone with them again.
Pass that. Easy. Have a video, you pat them. Yeah, okay, alright. Very good. Very good. Alright. Nice water bubble.
Yes, yeah, bubble. And this now they got you the pork panny and this is the rice and peas pot.
Okay.
Rice and peas pot.
These are corn. Alright.
Manish water.
Alright. Exactly.
You subscribe?
I mean, no, Miss Kifina. Kifina say.
What one?
Which one?
Nicest one I win. When I go buy shoes.
The cloud.
Oh, women have Natasha say.
The fire.
And we don't cut it out and Natasha say, don't cut it out.
That is the best one.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
So yes, we as you can see here in Jamaica, family Christmas dinner. As you see the regular face, Ashley is here. Ashley in the building. Yeah, my niece, Kevina. My niece, Gifina, my mother's oldest granddaughter. My big sister here. Boss lady. Say my boss lady in
Boss lady.
In son say, and my mother boss lady, you know where you think me I gonna be? Me a done boss. When he drink up him.
What's your good deed?
Am I mother done? Uncle. Am I mother boss lady, you know? So we think me I gonna name? I mean name Dan boss, uncle. Dan Big.
Oh, dumb. Yeah, that's what he said. Yeah, dumb big. Yeah, true. That's what he said. Jeez, peace. We haven't seen it now.
I see Mommy Marlene over there, Miss Marlene.
What's your face?
Mommy Marley.
Mommy Marlene. Yes, Dad. Mommy Marlene. This is the Jamaican family. This is the Jamaica side now. Yes. Senti, we're here. We're in a them town.
Open a them tone.
Up in a them town. for birthday.
Are you vlogging?
Oh yes. You want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi.
Hi. What's your name?
Danica.
Danica. Hi, Danica. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
7 years old. Lovely. And that's your brother?
Yes.
So what's your name?
Demario.
Demaria. Hi, Demaria.
He's 8.
He's 8.
Yeah. Like, share, and subscribe to the Williams family. Like, share, and subscribe to the Williams family.
Thank you.
Are you going to say hi?
Someone deal with me?
I say hi to the Williams.
Someone deal with me?
Say go, Uncle Trevor.
Uncle Trevor. Yes, man.
Real chef.
Yes, man, real chef. The man that make it happen, innit? You have to give you a wheelie for the camera, you know. Wait, you can't wheelie.
Your teeth. They're all different sizes. I'm getting concerned.
She did braces.
Yeah. I don't know what. There's just one big one, just one massive one.
When are you gonna follow it again?
I don't know. There's one big one.
So Natasha, go to the back. Go to the back, Natasha. Go behind. Kids gonna come out the front.
Come on. This is taking way longer than it needs to take.
Come on, get
Go
up.
to home.
Okay, I'm here now.
Come, sit down.
Where?
Sit down here and put your leg across. Sit down.
Dad, you got the other one?
Basically, the whole idea you need to be in the picture, Ashley.
In the frame?
Yeah, the whole idea need to be in the frame. The foot need to be up.
Oh, your foot needs to be on the bed?
Yeah.
On the bed. Move that. Foot all around the bed.
Okay. But can you please move? My feet? Oh, now I'm on the bed. No one wants to see my dust.
Is this a looking weight or not?
No one wants to see my feet. What?
I'm just crossing my legs.
Cross your legs. You can't cross your legs with your knees. Sit up more as you're leaning back.
Yeah, because you're
Sit
leaning.
up.
Why? What?
The cat free. 1.
Can I do for the
If it
face?
okay.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Anybody do for the face, not getting breakfast tomorrow.
Huh?
Come on. Alright. I'm gonna press it in now, yeah?
No, not your hand by his neck.
I didn't do a funny face. I was trying to smile.
Smile, teeth.
Someone fix the face. Why can't I?
Wait, let me see. Wait.
Right, come on. Why can't you just do lots of shots? And we change poses, You must find something sensible. Come on.
man.
Okay.
Let me see.
Yeah, make it just take different pictures and we
Oh, that
change.
was good.
Because my
That
knee's hurting them. Let me see that one.
That's the only one.
Oh, what?
That's the one I look at. This one.
So what is it?
Wait, let me
Do that. No, but your mix, can you have to knock her before she... No.
Oh, no.
Actually, bag sitting away. Don't look down at the small camera, guys. Look up.
Why is that one?
A nice big smiles. Right, Junior.
Look at that camera.
Look at the tall camera.
Tall camera.
Eyes open.
Okay.
Ready?
Looking at the camera. Actually, look at the camera.
My eyes
The
open.
tall one. Ready?
Yeah.
Savannah.
Don't do a face on. Come on, Chuck. It's like a deja vu. So I'm trying to say, I look silly again.
Ow! I pulled my muscle.
Come on.
Can't be believed.
Stop. Don't funny. Stop being joke. Come, stop trying to be funny. Come on. Get on with it.
If you moved your leg, you wouldn't be able to trust me. You'd be balling down.
I don't pull muscle, but like,
Ready now? Smile.
yeah.
Change. You can do this.
Oh. No.
Come on, go. You won't get very
No, because I pulled it too back.
I can't. Oh my god, the pressure on me.
Yeah, pressure. Yeah, the pressure on your knee.
That one.
Ow.